Hi, have you registered for the NATA JEE BERG examination? Not yet? The NATA JEE BERG exam registration has already started. Only few days left for the last date of registration. Contact IARC for the free NATA JEE Paper 2 registration. Do you know what's the next procedure after the registration? Going for a professional coaching in a perfect institute. Yes, without a proper guidance and a coaching, you cannot clear NATA exam because the subject what they are asking in the NATA and JEE paper 2 is entirely different from the subject and syllabus of the 11th and 12th what you already studied. Yes students, IARC has planned and customized batches according to your 12th examination schedules. You might be either a CBSE board, state board, IG, IB, ICSE or diploma. According to your 12th schedules and the board examinations, IARC has a customized classes. And we have an updated syllabus, brochures and class timetables according to the new updated syllabus. IARC have online and offline classes. If you are a student within the Tamil Nadu, go for an offline classes. IARC have branches in Coimbatore, Trichy, Chennai and Madurai. If suppose you are a student outside the Tamil Nadu, go for an online coaching in India's #1 NATA coaching center IARC. We have artists for drawing, HRs for general aptitude, architects for architecture aptitude, and we have physics and maths experts for the respective subjects. We are starting the batches. We have 3 batches. The first batch we are scheduled from 21st May, the second batch from 14th June and third batch from 4th July. Yes students, don't wait till the last. Grab your seats soon. We have only limited seats for the crash course of NATA and JEE paper 2. Wishing you all the best for your 12th exam. Join IARC soon.